Can you tell it's been a long day? I look haggard. Look at Mitchell. Karen, show my keys.
No, because this isn't even it.
I know.
You're gonna try to make people think this is all your keys.
Well, just show them that.
That's her keys.
Wait.
She doesn't even know what these go to, most of them. At least half.
I do. Those are the ones I know.
At least a quarter of these right here. She has no idea what goes to.
I can't really.
But there's more. There's actually a plastic box that's full of keys and locks.
And a little container, zip.
And so you guys get it, what I deal with on a daily basis. Look, that's my keys.
Stop,
my
Mr.
car,
Complainer.
And my key to my storage
You're the
unit.
one that wanted to bring the dirt bike.
That's it.
If it was just me going, I would have just went with the truck. I wouldn't
that
have
out.
brought all this extra
That
shit.
looks like a weapon.
This is all for you. We had to go in and get a chain. So when I have a chain, or I had a chain, but I had to leave it at home with the other bikes. This is the first time I'm taking just one bike. Usually I have a 3-trailer bike. Bike trailer. 3-bike trailer. But this is the first time. Okay, this is the second time. Ugh.
Wait a minute, I need to unlock that.
So we go get gas, and at Phil's gas station you get like a free thing of drink. So we always get the largest one because we have a free drink for a fill up. And of course it breaks and spills all over on the carpet right when we're leaving. So we had to deal and clean that up. What else did we have to deal with? Oh, what? Locking the bike up.
Here somewhere, right?
Oh shit. Now we're looking for the key. Didn't you just use it?
Disappeared on here.
Okay, so we're now putting the bigger lock. I had small chains. We got a big lock. This is a long day, and we're exhausted, and we haven't even left yet. But I don't know how that's gonna...
Much longer, see? Much better.
It's gold.
Well, it's high strength. That's why it's nickel boron steel, so it's way more durable than that last one.
So what we're trying to do is chain it to the Lexus. So when we go in a store or when we go eat or something, use the bathroom, no one's gonna, well, anyone can cut through anything, right? Nowadays, Mitchell, this is just gonna slow them down. Hopefully we catch them before they steal my bike. Right?
Seriously, I'm not going to tell you how easy it is, but it's pretty easy. I can pull my Honda up, turn on the electricity. That's all I'm going to say. I could be gone with this bike in literally less than 3 minutes. But we don't want people to know how you do that. There, that's way better than the last chain.
You don't want to chain that one up to it either. No, just
Yeah.
later. This'll do for now. Right?
That's a good shape.
As long as it's good. Okay, so one of the straps came off. I'm a little concerned. Definitely gonna get a toy hauler. This is a pain in the ass, right? To say the least.
There we go. That's not gonna come out.
It's so hot. Is it hot outside?
Coming out already.
Cold. It's. Ugh. So that's good.
Oh yeah, okay, that's better. It slipped out from underneath that when it bounced, but it can't slip out of that one now.
Are you sure you don't want me to drive first? Okay. I'll nap. Then I'll take over like midnight. Maybe 1, maybe 2. 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We just want to get on the road.